DNA. DNA molecules are surprisingly long. The length of DNA is roughly long. The pin inside typical bacterium is folded into a space of 1,000 length. To get an idea of what's inside, try to pack a 300-meter rope into a backpack. It's pretty dope. When Watson and Crick discovered the helix, wait a minute, it's a double helix. The structure explained how DNA can be copied and replicated each part a day. In the larger eukaryotic chromosome, DNA replication occurs at hundreds of places.
There's a lot of important gene mutations. Some involve more changes than others. Point and frame shift mutations have a lot of groupings that involve changes. Some mutations have disorders, including sickle's disease and cystic fibrosis, and altered activities.
The DNA sequence is nothing more than a confusing jumble of the four letters that represent the bases in DNA. An operon is a group of genes that operate together to help bacterium. Many genes are regulated by repressive proteins, while others use proteins that speed transcription. Most eukaryotic genes are controlled individually and have regulatory sequences that are much more complex. Genes are regulated in a variety of ways, by the point of which transcription begins. Differentiation becomes more specialized in structure and function. A series of genes, known as Hox genes, controls the differentiation of cells and tissues in the embryo.
There are three main types of RNA: messenger, ribosomal, and transfer. RNA molecules are produced by copying part of the nucleotide sequence of DNA. Chromatins have enzymes that bind regions of DNA which have specific base sequences.
Polypeptides are proteins that are made by joining some amino acids into long chains. Codons consist of three nucleotides that specify a single amino acid that added to the polypeptide. The cells use information from messenger RNA to produce proteins, which is called translation. Each tRNA molecule has three unpaired bases that are called anticodon, that are complementary to one mRNA codon. Many proteins are enzymes which catalyze and regulate chemical reactions.
Yeah! Oh shit!